Yeah, let's go to Brentwood. Oh, they're older houses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you
But
want.
there's still units for sale in there also, or?
Yes, right now they are selling for as is where is. There's some, if the buyer they can repair.
Okay. So that's, some of them have been sitting for a while, they didn't get sold, and now they're trying to sell them off, or? And that's what they call as is where is. It's amazing how they do construction here. They do the sand and then they mix the concrete, you know.
That's a tradition.
At home, yeah, I know. At home, when they build homes, they build in truckloads of concrete and they form it, right? And then put all the steel and steel bars and all that in, and boom, they just pour it directly out of a concrete truck. Nobody touches anything. It's a big difference.
This is the High Village,
What is it called?
Brentwood Village.
Brentwood Village.
That's not right.
And this area, is there a community pool in here also somewhere? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is clubhouse.
Oh, this is the clubhouse right in front of us? Okay.
And also this side there's a house, lot only for sale.
Lots only right here?
Yeah, this corner.
All right, so these are all lots for sale?
500 square meter.
And no problems with land titles like in
No
Sevilla?
problem, sir, because the title here with the developer.
Right.
And also, if you want to buy this land here, the developer they will transfer the landowner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, some of the houses back there looks really big. Really big.
The owner, the white one, is British national.
Oh, okay. British? That's why it's a big home. Yeah, but this looks nice.
Evergreen
Brentwood.
Street and
Yeah,
Walnut.
more of lot here.
All right, so
And they will make this.
there's another lot up there for sale?
Yeah, there's no more. There's all sold out.
Oh, the one is sold out.
Okay. And here you have,
This is
this is where you,
warehouse. This one.
okay. Right, so they have some,
Yeah, this one is for sale.
yeah,
It's,
but that somebody lives here, right? And they're trying to sell it?
yes. So ready for this house. So,
All right, so let's go and have a look at this too. I like this. I actually like this with the cul-de-sac. You don't have a whole lot of through traffic. I like the cul-de-sacs, you know, where they can't go nowhere, so that you won't have all the motorcycles going up and down the street. And
because the whole vehicle coming inside.
Right.
The residents. Yeah.
there are only residents coming inside here, yeah. Right, so this is a home that is for sale, has a bigger lot.
Anong pangalan ng yung
Pretty big backyard. Pretty big backyard here.
Giselle. This unit name is Giselle.
Giselle. Okay, so obviously this one has been sitting for a while,
Yeah.
and the buyer buys it as is where is, and you renovate yourself. But you know what? Looking from the size of the home, this got to be more than, how many square meters is this, you think?
There's a square meter here, 249 square meter.
249 square meters. So yeah,
Lot area.
lot area.
200.
Floor area, 200 square meters. This is what I'm talking about, hon. You know, we bought some land in Samar on the water. So I'm going to build a house. It's a hill overlooking the ocean. So, and I want to have 200 square meter. 100 down and 100 up. And then you build apartment upstairs, and downstairs we do like a community room for the barangay people. There's nothing to do there for anybody, so I figured we'd put up a big kitchen and a bar, karaoke. Yeah. All right. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it. So those are granite. Yeah. Yeah, it's a shame. It's been sitting. How many years has this been sitting? Yeah. How much are they asking for it? Do you know?
Price?
Yeah.
Around 7 million.
7 million for it. Okay. And I'm sure if people pay cash, the 7 million is negotiable at that point.
Maybe there's some discounts.
Yeah, I'm sure. Let's go upstairs and take a look. And I like this wood stairs. It's also really,
There's concrete.
yeah, underneath is concrete. These are laminate flooring, right?
There's vinyl. Vinyl.
Right. So it has one bathroom in here. And bathroom in the back end of the house. The wiring is not done. There's
Because maybe somebody removed the wires.
and I guess people been coming in here and just right. Yeah, and then you have this one does have a bathtub, so you know, the intention was a little different with this, but I like the size of it. A view from our bow, and yeah, these are. It's a nice community, though.
I don't know if it's American or British.
Oh, okay.
Foreigners.
Foreigners.
Yeah, and also this the last one.
That down here,
White duck.
right?
Japanese.
Japanese. So there's foreigners living around here. Yeah, I saw a couple of foreigners walking. Right. Yeah, I like it because it's a little bit outside.
Quiet.
Outside, quiet,
Not looks like
and
outside.
and not a whole lot of jeepney fume and trikes. And trikes not allowed in here, or no?
So your neighbor they are shouting.
Yeah.
Privacy is most important here,
Yeah.
privacy.
Yeah. Privacy is. So it's nice. Yeah, it looks good.
You know, if I have money, I want to buy this house.
Right. Yeah.
Like
No.
this house.
No. It's really nice. I mean, there's a lot of work to be done. That's for sure. I mean, you have quite a bit of work to do, but I like the size of it. And this is nice. You can put a table out here, come out here, have your coffee in the morning.
This is also design of the foreigner.
Oh, okay. So he designed it, and then he didn't buy, or
Well, they will repair.
okay, yeah. All right. Okay. So let's go. This is pretty nice. Yeah, and you know, has plenty of closet space. I like the fact that it has, so there's 1, 2, 3 baths, right?
Yeah, yes, 3.
Oops, one downstairs also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. And they have a bathroom back in here. Some people got in here and started breaking stuff, or?
Yeah, that was because when I came this house,
All right.
already like this.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's a long time ago.
So I don't know what the exact story of this house.
Right. Right. So all in all, I feel like it's a really decent neighborhood. Again, I like love the cul-de-sac. Several foreigners on this street, and an investment for somebody who wants to spend a little bit of money fixing it. And this could be put a roof on here too, right? Right. And get it covered up. So there's plenty of space for 2 cars in here.
Yeah, and then you can park the road.
Right. What? Oh, watermelon. You get 1 watermelon for the price of 7 million. All right. Yeah, that's right. That's watermelon. The neighborhood is nice.
Yes, so quiet here.
Quiet.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. You know, when you live like we do, we live down in Barangay Dau,
Yeah.
and you have motorcycles. And worst of all, do you know what the worst of all is?
Yeah.
Take a guess.
Yeah, yes.
Guess.
Yes.
What do you guess is the worst?
Yeah.
Dogs.
Barking.
Within half a block, there is 15 dogs, and they all bark all night long.
Yes. And also they are.
Yeah, there's homes all
You
over.
want to see the
Yeah, we can take a ride, just record a little bit of the neighborhood. Yeah, look at that house. That's really
This
nice.
one is
Nice one.
he buy only lot.
Huh?
He buy only lot and he make his own.
The guy bought a lot and made his own house.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Foreigner, I'm assuming,
This
or is it Filipino?
Filipino. But
But he made a nice design, and he have the cover going out, so they
You got 3 dogs.
3 dogs.
inside.
Yeah.
German Shepherd.
Shepherds.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even know this was here. This is even bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
It's
So big.
pretty amazing. And that's just within 5 minutes away from where we live, you know, with a car. And some of these homes they designed them really nice. I mean, this one is pretty here to the right, to the left.
That one also is covered.
Yeah. Yeah, they cover up the whole backyard. Probably make a dirty kitchen or something.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't even know it was this big. It's amazing.
I like this place.
Yeah, me too. I mean, this is a place where I could live.
Yeah.
Deca is nice for Filipinos, I think.
Yeah. But
It's just
the language of Dika in the Tagalog language is Dika na babalik.
and what does that mean?
You will not come back.
You will not come back. Okay. I know a lot of foreigners that live there. They actually like it. And now they got a little grocery store up there. They developed it. You know, the
Yeah.
problem with Deca is that so far to everything. They have to go all the way down to Angeles to get groceries and
Yeah.
everything, right? So, but now they started a store there. I think it was a Korean that put up a store, and it's a little different.
This house is the developer making this house.
Oh, okay.
So this one. Before this owner of this house, we took British national.
British,
Yeah.
British national.
He sold out.
Yeah. Yeah, they come in and they decide to move. That's my problem. You know, I grew up in a big city, right? And
Yeah.
I in my older days now, I want to live in the country, a little outside. I don't want to have.
Where are you live there in America?
Well, I lived in near Tampa, Florida.
Florida.
Yeah.
Sister is in Pennsylvania.
Oh, Pennsylvania is far north, up by New York State.
Nebraska.
Yeah, it's very far. It's probably 1,400 kilometers or something north of Florida. United States is a big country. It's like 4,000 kilometers from
Yeah.
New York to Los Angeles. It takes several days to drive over. Yeah.
Ah,
What?
this place.
Yeah, it's nice. We'll take a little slow ride through the neighborhood so everybody can see exactly what's there. And if we're not talking, we put music up.
Yeah.
We get a lot of comments because I do use a lot of music. When we're
Yeah.
not talking silent, I put some good music in. People like
you
it.
didn't see somebody standby outside.
Yeah. Yeah, I put up a video yesterday and had like almost 400 views this morning. So we'll get, and there you go, Mount Arayat, visible from here too. Wow.
This is a British national.
Right. Yeah. It's really a nice
Very
nice home too. Yeah.
So
Down there is more, and it's a big area. How many homes do you think is in here, in Brentwood?
I don't have idea, sir.
Let's put it that way. It's so many homes we don't know how many.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, some of these homes, man, they made them really big. They must be double lots then. They bought two
Yeah,
lots
yes.
maybe, and
And also there's different cut of lots here.
right.
We have small. We have big.
Small lots, big lots.
We have 200, 300, 400, 500 square meter. Like.
Okay, so you can get a 400 or 500 square meter lot if you want to in here. Okay,
And this side around 500 square meter. This one.
right. Yeah.
Lots of homes in this one.
Yeah. So these lots here, guys, to the right are for sale. If anybody is in the mood to put up some money and move here,
Yeah.
Invest.
invest.
For your retirement.
And this
Yeah, and let me say that for investment,
And this corner is 500 square meter.
this one is 500.
Yeah, this corner.
Okay, this corner. Yeah, it's a big one. So yeah, let me say that for investment in this area, I think within 5 years.
No, every year, sir, there is increase the price.
Right.
Yeah, every year.
And it's going to be even more because once they develop New Clark City,
Yeah.
boy, this is going to be it's going to
Also,
be a
this,
demand.
Price of land here is also going up.
Oh yeah, yeah. Down towards Dao, you can't. It's hard to find land. You can't even find land there.
So
Our-
we're going back to the office now.
Yep, we can go back. I think we got most of it covered. It's nice though.
And this place also very close to the highway.
Right.
Yeah, it's close for all the
Stores. Yeah, down the street here you have a lot of, street vendors and food vendors. And where's the nearest grocery store? That would be SM on the other side. SM Hypermart.
SM
Uh,
Hypermarket.
yeah, that.
then
What do you guess? About 2 kilometers or less? 2 kilometers from here?
Around 2 kilometers.
Yeah, maybe 2 kilometers.
then there is no, far na Dao. Malayo na yung Dao Jumbo yung Dao.
Pure gold.
Pure gold. Malayo na dito.
Yeah, if you make
No,
a
there's one pure gold also in the
in the
no
Well,
Mabiga
here
Market.
in
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Banda dyan
that's
sa San Francisco.
Oo, dyan.
and the pure gold is also about what 2 kilometers away from here.
Yes.
So as far as groceries and supplies for the needs, they are within 1 to 2.5 kilometers. Several good places. SM Hypermart is known for having a lot of imported goods too for foreigners and that kind of stuff. So. And what's this one here? This is
And this Fiesta, yun na the Fiesta.
oh yeah,
Ah,
Fiesta
yeah.
Community. Okay,
That is house.
right.
And this place already sold out.
Okay, they're sold out here.
Yeah.
But they generally build cheaper homes, right? They 1.5 to 2. I've seen Fiesta homes there.
But very small.
Yeah, very small units.
And also the land very small.
If you're 6'5" tall, you can't sleep straight in your bedroom.
Very small.
Yeah.
It's good for Filipino.
It's good for 5-foot Filipinos.
Yeah.
And today, our tour guide here, he's 6 foot. He's a big Filipino.
Also big stomach.
Oh yeah, well, we all get that when we get a little older. We get bigger stomachs. All right, so how do you pronounce it? Masaito?
Masaito Homes.
Masaito Home Sales Office, straight ahead, right there. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.